Just hear us out.
Alright. So, we made a big mess.
No, just bump it.
Just bump it. Hey, you guys remember this thing? This ute we picked up in the country town, Western Australia? We got it for parts for a variety bash car. Well, now it's time to let this car go. It needs to go and get scrapped. We've got nowhere to keep it. But it's got a manual transmission. It's got a locked welded rear diff. So we need to take those parts out. So we just welded it on the street. We bought ourselves a muster of none engine crane and engine stand. And yeah, we're just gonna go and disconnect the tail shaft and disconnect all the clutch cable and just yank out the motor and the gearbox and then break it apart. End of the road for this bird. End of the road.
Hey man, I'm getting PTSD.
Oh no.
It's happening again.
Yeah, another XF, unfortunately.
That's alright. It's good.
I think we need spanners for these ones. Maybe like 10, I reckon they're 10.
I'll go get a 10.
Yeah, I did spray them with the snake oil.
Snake oil?
Oh, whatever, penetrant. Why so many sizes?
So what is it, 11?
It's an 11.
Of course.
So Con's just disconnecting the clutch cable. So we've taken the tail shaft out. There it is. And both units are surprisingly in good condition.
Okay.
Yeah, so Con's just loosening up the bit of tension from the cable, and then we can lift out the motor and gearbox because Con's already disconnected the engine mounts. So we just decided to take the gearbox off because we pretty much reached the limit on the crane. It's using dodgy seatbelt. We're just going to pop the gearbox off and just pull the engine out. But yeah, some of these bolts, like that one, was just finger tight.
I think Damo forgot to do it up.
Damo, yeah,
When Steve
boy.
gave Damo the extra clutch to put in because I smoked the clutch.
Just smoke the clutch.
They forgot to do up these bolts.
Yeah, if you guys are watching, if you know this is your ute, please contact us. And
Your name's Damo. Just hit us up.
yeah, the T5 is out. Now we're just taking the clutch off. Oh man, it's got Yellow Terra high performance titanium push rods.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Great. So after we pulled a back muscle and drawn some blood, we've
Yeah. So this motor's been out in the rain. We're gonna take the head off it. Come on!
You can do it.
Need something.
Some sort of leverage.
Yeah.
No, put that down.
Sorry.
You haven't missed a bolt, have you?
Undone. No, they're all undone.
They're all undone, huh? Well, it's cracked open here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, they're all done. I'm going to take advantage of this crack. Crackety McCracken.
This is where all the downvotes come from.
Hey, I'm just trying to survive here.
Yeah. We're literally in the bush.
Don't hate the player, hate the game. His head just won't come off. How dare this head? How doesn't this head know who we are? Yeah, this and then
What did we forget, Kirill?
we forgot the bolt, the hollow body bolt,
Stupid.
the weird Ford hollow bolt. The hollow bolt. Why is it hollow? No one knows. Ford wants a hollow bolt. Wait. What? I didn't know it was a swimming pool.
Oh, it's the newfangled water-powered car.
Whoa.
Dude, that is disgusting.
That is unusable.
Oh look, there's something in here.
The water's been in here. Some of them didn't have water, didn't have water.
Yeah, just a little bit of water, not too
Yeah.
much. Just a tiny bit.
Yeah, this is the worst one. It's like the valve's just completely corroded. Shame, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, you can probably kiss us goodbye.
Well, look, we'll keep it.
You'll keep it.
Okay. So what? Just a bit of a hone and put it back on the road.
Yeah, sure.
Just
Yeah, just put a bit of sandpaper down there
yeah.
and just put it back into service.
We'll gap the rings though.
Yeah,
We'll do that.
yeah, I think we'll gap. Yeah.
The pulley puller is designed to pull pulleys, if you didn't know. Pulleys, this is a pulley, a pulley needs to get pulled. This is a pulley puller. Does that make sense? Like 5% that there is a cam in here.
There's like a hot cam.
Hot cam, like 5, no, maybe more than 5. I'll give it 5% chance.
Reckon old Billy Boy Bob out in the sticks would put a hot cam in this thing.
No. Just leave it. It's not going to have a cam in it.
You're just 90% of the way there.
Oh,
Oh, jeez.
no. So who? No, it's not going to have it.
It's not going to have a cam. You convinced yourself it's not there.
I don't think it will have it. Taking all this shit
You've
off.
just got one bolt. One more bolt to go.
No, there's 4.
There's 4. Oh, there's 4 bolts.
It's not going to have a cam.
It's not going to have a cam. Look, we've spilt all this shit all over the road. We've got all this crap out of it, and you just don't want to do 4 more bolts. No, 4 more bolts.
Got a feeling this whole thing needs to come out.
What you got there, boy?
What the hell?
Or,
What is this? Why is the tensioner?
there is no tensioner.
Why is it so loose?
I should have like a downvote telly little thing. Like ding, 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 ding. Every time we do something that's wrong.
That's just junk. Alright, these two and then the retainer. Oh yeah. We made a big mess. We took the motor out. We can't get to the cam because all the hydraulic lifters are like rusted in and can't actually pull the cam out. And we tried tapping them and look, I'm pretty 100% certain it's not gonna have a cam on it, and I'm pretty sure no one's even opened it up. Like the chain was so stretched. If you put in the cam in, like you're gonna be replacing the chain, as well, and it just there's no cam in it.
So have we explained what you want to do, like what the actual end goal to all this is?
Yeah, so we're putting a car together out of all the parts we got left over after the bash car. So we're essentially making one car out of the two. So it's this. We bought 2 parts cars to complete our bash shoot. So it's this car and another car at my house. So the car at the house needs some parts. It's got a blow-on 3-speed on the tree, auto. So we got the manual out of this parts car. There's 5-speed. So we're gonna put it into the other car. Also, there's extractors that are rusty, but they'll come up good with a bit of wire brushing. And yeah, so we're just putting a ute together, like kind of like a rat ute. Like I'm not gonna be painting it. I'm just gonna put everything together, and it's just gonna be one of those like art cars things.
I think you mentioned turbo.
Oh
And
yeah,
my ears pricked up, and I'm like, oh.
turbo. Yeah, well look, we'll put it all together and run it maybe on the big holy carb, because we've got a big manifold as well that came off this car. And then, you know, once it passes the pits with that, then we'll look at turboing and all that kind of.
I'm liking it.
Yeah.
Right.
But for now, just get it regoed, get that car going.
So it is getting regoed. Okay.
Yeah. Well, don't cut it yet. We'll show you the other car.
Okay, we're gonna.
And this is the other car, the other parts car that we bought to get, you know, the parts for our bash shoot that we did the variety bash. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this car into a driving licensed car. Yeah, I know it's a big ask, but look, we're pretty crazy here. So this car was missing a door, and the door is actually off the other ute that you've seen already. We've got the T5 manual that's going to go in. We've got extractors. We've got a big holy manifold. So this thing is we're not going to do any body work to it. It's just like I already started making bumper for it. It's just going to be like an art project on wheels. It's going to be art in motion, people. Come on, get behind it. Subscribe. Tune in. Please support us. We need your help. We need you. We want your comments, and yeah, enjoy your day, guys. Enjoy your holidays.